it started raining and don't want to get the phone wet and everything. But look, we came here and look at the water because it just got done raining.
Yeah, it just got done.
We're gonna put our phones down and meet you over there.
All right, let's go.
So guys, it's been a week from when I passed out. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, we're
though.
still wondering. Like,
Yeah, we're gonna.
he was literally just standing over there, and like I don't feel so good.
Pee and then I talked about those wieners. Maybe because I peed on his wieners. But what's it, like? I just like passed out and because something like hit me. I couldn't breathe. Like, but we're gonna try to figure out why. Let's go check out this water though.
Yeah.
Be quiet. Listen, it sounds like a waterfall.
Yeah. That's the car, but.
Be careful.
Check this out, guys.
Oh my
Dang,
God.
son.
Oh. Oh.
Dang. We can have like a stick race here. Like, get our sticks. Oh my God. Oh my God.
The fight ball is gone for sure.
Then the knife is still there. The knife is still there. See it? Yeah, this is water. Dang. Alright.
Guys, this just opened.
No way.
Oh, that water's cool.
Hello! Oh my God.
Oh, we're gonna have to cross right there, maybe.
Yeah. Let's go. We have to jump.
That's never been opened.
That's never been opened before. All right, go first. Yeet. What? Oh my God.
That wasn't there yesterday.
That wasn't even there. That wasn't even there a week ago. What the heck?
What's that metal thing?
Oh, V8. What the heck?
That V8 was in it. Is this open?
Help me. It's weird how that one's open.
That's not open.
Wait. That might be the hinge that goes right there.
That is.
That's the hinge.
Let's take it. I'm gonna take.
Let's take it. I'm just gonna.
Are you sure?
I don't know. I don't want to risk.
What is that?
Oh, my shoes. Ew. Ew.
Yes, it is. How did that get open?
Hello.
I threw that at you.
Boy. All right.
If we do a stick race?
If we do a stick race. All right. Yeah, why did you pass out? Like, you were over there. Let's go. Let's go over.
Okay.
Let's go to the tree.
We'll meet you over there.
Peace. All right, guys, we're at the tree. I think this is it. We think this is it. Let's check.
Oh!
Whoa.
That scared me to death.
That's not the tree.
No, it's this way.
This way.
That scared me to death.
Yeah, there's like.
What about you, that bird?
That looks like a. There it is.
Wait, is that poop moon? This hole wasn't here.
Whoa. The welcome mat's still there. The cloth. Somebody has to live here. Like there's a sun kiss. Drugs.
See, those are the wieners.
The wieners. Poop
But
emoji.
why did I pass out?
You were literally right there in the spot, and then
At
you
high altitude?
literally sat there.
I peed and then.
Did you stand on the welcome mat?
Yeah. Look. I'm standing on it now.
And then you peed on the poop emoji, right?
No, I peed over it. I peed on that. Those wieners. I peed like on the tree.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
Oh, so,
Guys, and today, there's an earthquake.
yeah, there's an earthquake. It's like, yeah.
Yeah.
It's another little tree. Dang, the stream though. Oh my God.
Matthew's going to pee right now. Are you done? Oh no.